So what is your reaction to the encounter that has taken place?
Well, this is very surprising and shocking that from a high security central prison of Bhopal, wherein you have all the accused are facing terrorist charges in the state of Madhya Pradesh are lodged over there under trials. Now this daring escape of 8 alleged semi-activists, and then all of them are being killed in an encounter in a place 10 kilometers from the prison. And in this process, a guard has also been assassinated of the jail. What is surprising and perplexing to me is that these under trial prisoners are wearing, they are fully clothed, they are wearing shoes, they have watches on their wrist, they have bands on the wrist, they have belts on their trousers. As an under trial, these things are not given to under trial. You know, whether it's a wristwatch or bands or shoes or belts. Please also remember that Madhya Pradesh, especially a place called Malwa, has been the epicenter of terrorist actions which have been done throughout India, whether it is Makkah Masjid, Ajmer, Modasa, and various other. So all the accused who are facing charges of Makkah Masjid, Ajmer, Modasa, and also even the attempt to assassinate our Vice President Hamid Ansari. All these people had come from this particular place, and the main accused of Makkah Masjid, Ramji Kalsangre and Dange, are yet to be found. So, and then there is the third point is there is so much of huge discrepancy in what the Home Minister and the police officials are saying. The Home Minister of Madhya Pradesh says that these under trials were armed with spoons, and the Madhya Pradesh ATS could have easily overpowered them, because an ATS has all sophisticated weapons, and they could have very easily arrested them and we could have convicted them. But people who have ran away from prison after assassinating a guard, and they only have spoons. So I mean, this is to any normal person, this theory is unbelievable, and that is why I am of the opinion that a proper and independent investigation has to be done, so that how did these accused flee from a high security central prison by assassinating a guard over there and their subsequent encounter. And I feel that an inquiry by Supreme Court would unravel all the weaknesses and any steps which are being taken to not to bring the whole facts out of it. And this is high time that all terrorist related cases are dealt in a time bound manner. So this is my opinion.